These rougher looking bushes here, they are cultivated not to take leaf and buds from them, but they are cultivated for the production of seeds, tea seeds. There are several ways to reproduce tea bushes, and one of the ways is to take cuttings. By taking cuttings, you can maintain the same traits of a cultivar, whereas if you would reproduce a bush from seeds, it would lose its specifications and it would return to its ancestral state. And contemporary producers prefer to take cultivars because they have the same specifications and the same traits, and so they grow at the same pace and they're easier to manipulate. Whereas seed-grown bushes, they get a little bit of variety as they grow. Native cultivars or seed-grown cultivars have much more vitality. So cultivars are taken from cuttings, and cuttings are pieces of a branch. It doesn't have a solid stem and doesn't have a root that first works its way down. It just branches out further. Whereas with the seeds, you have a stem, a strong root that forces its way down, and then from there it starts to spread out to gather more nutrition. So it goes deeper. The roots of a seed-grown cultivar grow deeper than the roots of a cultivar which has been taken from cuttings.